Don't pass up a home buying opportunity just because you don't have 20% saved up for a down payment. You don't need that much. Today, there are many options with less than 20% down. And even if putting down less, today's PMI rates or mortgage insurance rates are much lower than they have been in years past. If you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years, or at least one borrower on the loan hasn't owned a home in the last 3 years, you can purchase using a conventional financing with only 3% down. If you have owned a home in the last 3 years, that down payment would increase to 5% down. If you're using FHA financing, regardless of whether you've owned a home or not in the past, only 3.5% down is required. For veterans and borrowers eligible for a VA loan, zero down payment is required in most cases. VA loans also do not restrict that benefit to just first-time buyers, so you can put zero down over and over and over again when using VA financing. A lot of people are confused and think that VA is only for first-time buyers. If you're using USDA financing, a zero down payment is also allowed. These loans, however, are limited to rural areas, so there are more limitations than on VA. Finally, on jumbo loans and non-QM loans, down payments are typically more than these minimums. However, some lower down payment options do exist. Plan on at least 10%, if not 20% down for these unique programs. With home prices growing almost every year going back many decades, even when putting down a smaller down payment, you are likely to see gains in equity over time that will put you in a much higher equity position just with the passage of time. Of course, paying down the balance on your loan won't hurt either. For more questions on loan programs and the required down payments, reach out anytime. I'm here to help.